So, 大家好，我是 Philippine Ren from Changshi University. So, I am group 135, and today I am presenting to you my final project on automated pneumonia detection using X-ray images. So, pneumonia continues to be a major health concern worldwide, and early diagnosis is crucial to improve patient outcomes. So, in this project, I developed a deep learning based system designed to assist clinicians by classifying chest ray images as either normal or pneumonia. So, um, the main problem I address is the subjectivity and variability in chest ray interpretation. So, radiologists often work under time pressure, which can lead to inconsistent readings, and then so, the main objective is to develop a reliable AA model that can support clinicians and by automatically detecting pneumonia from X-ray and comparing three density architectures to determine which performs best. So, I also use Kaggle X-ray images. So the original dataset is highly imbalanced. So I rebalanced the training portion to a 50-50 split between normal and pneumonia images. So this prevents the model from becoming biased towards the majority class and improves sensitivity. Also, I also applied several pre-processing steps, like to resize the image to 224 times 224 and normalize. So I applied Glahe to improve local contrast and highlight subtle lung texture patterns and segmentation, and then the augmentation process as well. So the I also evaluated the three density architectures, which is 100 the 121, 169, and 201 to find the best performing model. All three trained using the same setting, like Atom Optimizer learning rate of 1 to the power of -4, batch size of 16, and a maximum of 10 epochs with early stopping to prevent overfitting. So this is the result. So to evaluate model performance, I monitored accuracy, validation loss, F1 score, precision, recall, and AUC ROC. These metrics gives a complete picture of the model's diagnostic ability, especially in distinguishing pneumonia. So the result shows that the clear difference between the three models, the 121 performed the weakest with issues with detecting normal cases. 201 achieved the highest AUC ROC, meaning it separates classes or across thresholds. So, however, the 169 achieved the best overall balance. So, the highest accuracy, the highest pneumonia F1 score, and all that. So, this balance is crucial for clinical, and both false negative and false positive must be minimized. So, this is the system that I created. So, here we can wait. Let's see. So yeah, this is the normal or the dense 169 architecture. So this is the system all about, and then and going back. Uh, so yeah, 169 performs the best. So in conclusion, 169 performs really the best. So, achieved the best diagnostic performing across all evaluation metrics. So, for future work, I recommend expanding the dataset to multiple hospitals, experimenting with transform based architectures, and performing external validation. So, multi class classification could also extend systems clinical utility. So, that's it for my report. Thank you. Oh my God.